The sun dips low, painting the lake in streaks of gold and rose. A gentle breeze whispers through the reeds, setting the water's surface ripple. And there they are, a tiny flotilla of ducklings, barely bigger than a man's thumb, paddling furiously behind their watchful mother. They're all downy fluff and bright yellow, their little tails bobbing like miniature buoys in the shimmering water. The mother duck leads the way, her sturdy strokes sending out small waves that the ducklings surf expertly, saving their tiny energy for all the playful exploration to come. Each little duckling follows its mama with absolute trust, their instincts guiding their tiny web feet as they navigate the aquatic world. One bolder duckling, perhaps a bit more adventurous than the others, momentarily breaks ranks, darting towards a lily pad. It pecks inquisitively at the glossy green surface, its small head tilting in curiosity, before quickly rejoining its siblings in the protective embrace of the duckling formation. The mother duck, ever vigilant, gives a soft, reassuring quack, as if to say, "All is well, little one." It's a scene of pure, unadulterated joy, the simple pleasure of watching these fluffy bundles of life embrace the water, their natural element. They chase each other, leaving miniature wakes in their energetic pursuit, and dive playfully beneath the surface, only to pop up again a moment later with a joyful shake of their tiny heads. The lake, usually a haven of tranquility, seems to hum with their tiny quacks and the gentle splashing of their little feet. It's a reminder of the raw beauty of nature, of new life unfolding, and the quiet resilience of these little creatures, bravely facing the vastness of the lake with an unwavering spirit. As the sun dips further, painting the sky with fiery hues, the little ducklings continue their aquatic dance, each stroke a testament to their inherent vitality. It's a moment of serenity and simple wonder, a gentle reminder that even in the smallest corners of the world, life unfolds with grace and purpose. The golden light of dusk bathes the lake as the little ducklings, still a fluffy yellow, continue their aquatic adventure. Their mother, a vigilant guardian, leads the way through the reeds and into the shallower edges of the water. This is where the real work begins, learning to find food. After a long day of foraging for yummy, dead fish, larvae worms, seeds, and other delicious foods, the little ducklings finally have a chance to rest on a rock some small distance from the shore.